To remove the cover off an Apple SuperDrive, like this model, which is an A1379, all we need is simply a flat-edged tool, similar to a knife, something with a flat edge and very thin in profile. Looking from the underneath now at the base of the case, there are 3 clips on the inside, on the left, 3 on the right, and 2 across the back. There are none across the front, as that is where the CD loads in. We're going to start by prising off the cover in the far corner, with the front being here. So first we slide our tool in, slide it over towards the corner, and then we can prise this open. We can then move our tool back towards the back and keep prising. We should then be able to pull the cover completely off by hand with a little aid from our tool if we need. And that is the cover off. So inside now we can get to our drive. There are 3 screws, small Torx and 2 Phillips heads if we need to remove the drive to take it apart. Let's say if we have a stuck disc. To put the cover back on, simply align it correctly. There are 2 tabs at the back, no tabs across the front. And push firmly down and it will click into place. Across the front there are 2 little small indentations on the case, so we'll need to prise the front of it out slightly so that the case will clear those.